Spartans. I'm Elizabeth. Today I'm here with.
Darius.
And what's your favorite part about woodworking?
Being able to take home what you make.
And what's the most dangerous part?
I'd say it's the saws because you can cut your fingers off.
And what's your favorite thing that you've ever made in woodworking?
I made a pretty good step stool one time.
Thank you. And what's your favorite part about woodworking?
The finished product.
What's the most dangerous part?
I would have to say the nail guns.
And what's your favorite project you've ever made?
The birdhouse.
Thank you. What about woodworking?
Just building random stuff.
And what's the most dangerous tool you have in there?
I'd say the bandsaw.
And what was your favorite project you've ever made?
I'd say the step stool would be the favorite project.
Today we're going to be talking about woodworking. So what's your favorite project you've ever made in woodworking?
Probably the one I'm working on right now.
What is that?
It's a shelf.
What's the most dangerous tool in woodworking?
Probably say they're all dangerous.
And what's your favorite part about woodworking?
Getting to learn the tools. It's easy to put together, something to put my mind onto.
All right, thank you.